Welcome to Ask No One episode 17. In this episode, I will answer the question how to handle the objection. I will do this business later after 1 month. The prospect is asking for 1 month to start the business. How are you going to handle it? So, when the prospect asks this question from me, what I would do first, I would draw this small network. Today, I am inviting you here, right? Just an immediate position after me. And this is why I am inviting you. And in case you have a bigger network, you can tell that you are inviting you for this position, somewhere the position which is below you, right? And maybe you want 1 month. It's fantastic. It's absolutely okay for me, right? But the problem is in this 1 month, I'm not going to keep myself quiet. I'm going to talk to more and more people. I have already talked to more people before, and some of them are arranging the money to start the business, right? And at the same time, I'm going to talk to more and more people, right? So because of that, maybe two people will sign up. And then after you come back after 1 month, you will be under this A and B, right? So it's okay, right? Just you are going to miss only two people, right? But I want you to think about building a long-term business. If you are building a long-term business together, in next 5 years, okay, I'm pretty sure you can have a team of 500 in the left and 500 in the right, 1,000 downlines in your organization. But let me ask you the question: do you think B will do nothing? He will also work hard, right? So when B has you in the left, which means 1,000 downlines, B will also have 1,000 downlines in his other side, right? And A will have 2,000 downlines in his left, and he will have 2,000 downlines in his right. So because of this 1 month delay, are you telling me you are ready to lose these 3,000 people in next 5 years? 10 years from now, 15 years from now, these 3,000 people will become 30,000 people, 100,000 people, right? So are you telling me because of this 1 month delay, you are ready to lose this much of network? You all know, right? By having 3,000 downlines, you can earn millions of dollars, right? More than $1 million. So are you going to tell me that you are going to lose millions of dollars in next 5 years because you are not going to make this decision today? Is that what you're telling me? If losing this money is okay for you, it's okay, it's fantastic. But as a brother, as a friend, I'm telling you, take this position. Because this position, you will never get it again. Today is the last moment where you can grab that position. So, guys, I hope you got the answer for this question how to handle this objection, right? So, handle it and get your prospects sign up today. Sign up on the spot. So, guys, I'm going to come back again with a new Ask No One episode. Until then, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned. Because of the hundreds of requests I received, I made a 1 month network marketing course, which is going to cover everything from A to Z about this industry. So here are the lessons which is covered in this 1 month course. So it has 30 different lessons. First, starting with introduction, 6 stages in the business, then mindset, knowledge, activities, then the journey explained in detail, and then history of the industry, credibility of the industry, passive income, leverage, compounding explained, future of the industry, what is going to happen to this industry after 100 years, 1,000 years, and then understanding your why. Lesson 9, goals and dreams, and then commitment and book reading, contact list, memory jogger, filtering contacts, understanding prospecting, initiation of a conversation, how we are going to start a conversation with a prospect, utilizing social media and all other platforms, holding an interesting conversation, how are you going to have an interesting conversation with a prospect, and then magnet calling, and then qualifying, inviting, presentation, objection handling and clearing part 1, objection handling and clearing part 2, closing the sale, how are you going to close a prospect, and do's and don'ts in this industry, retention of your team, how are you going to retain your people, how are you going to keep them in the business long term, responsibilities as an upline, duplication, counseling your upline, how are you going to build this business with short-term goals and weekly targets, and how are you going to create an action plan and then work upon the action plan and get results, right? So these are the topics. This is pretty much covering the entire industry. So this course is called as the Pro Networker, and it's a 1 month course, as I explained previously. So the timing is going to be flexible. You can do it whenever you are available, right? And then this course is offered at a price at $499. But guys, wait, but I'm going to be giving you a 80% off promo code, which is named as Pro80, right? So once you utilize this promo code, your price is going to be $100. But this is going to be limited. After some time, this promo code will expire. So before that, grab your seat, right? And what are the payment options? So there are two payment options: either pay with PayPal or else credit or debit card, right? You can choose one of these three methods to make the payment. And how to enroll? Step number 1, open up this link. So this link is also in the description below under this video. right? So step number 2, once you go to this link, you will see this enroll button. Press on the enroll button. And then you need to input step number 3, enter your email address. And then click on next. Step number 4, enter your name and a password. Set up a password for your account because you are going to access to this CourseCraft platform and you are going to go through this course through this platform, right? So you have to set up a username and a password, right? And then press on complete sign up. And after that, you are going to see the course for $499 US. And once you utilize this code PRO80 and press on apply, you are going to get a discount 80% off. Then you will see the price as $100 US, right? And then how to make the payment. Step number 6, click on buy now with PayPal. Now you might be thinking that no, I don't want to use PayPal. I want to use credit card or maybe debit card, right? No problem. First, press on the PayPal button. So once you press on the PayPal button, you will be getting this window, right? So there are 2 options now. Step number 7, choose your payment method. Either you are going to pay with PayPal or credit debit card. So first on the top, log into your PayPal and make the payment, or else you can pay with credit card or debit card, right? And make the payment. Once you make the payment, you will get access to this course. You will be inside the course. Then you are going to utilize 1 month and you are going to complete this course, right? I hope the steps are clear for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you again with a new video. Love you guys. Love you.